Hey learning machines, welcome to this video. We are literally 30 days into the month. Let me refresh real quick. Boom! As you guys can see, everything's still the same. And this was the craziest month so far. $110,000. Okay? And in this video, I'm going to go in depth on how you can do this too, learning machines. This is a very powerful video. I decided I would show you guys at the end of this month what I've done. And I'm going to give you some insane value that I've never done like this before. So stay tuned for this. I'm very excited. Let's get it. Smash that like button. I will see you inside the video. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome. So let's dive in here. I'm going to give you 10 tips to max bounty right now. So if we go here, you're going to see instantly popular campaign. These campaigns are popular at the very moment you're looking at them. New campaigns are shown here, and then suggested for you are down here. And I'm actually promoting some of these down here. So shh. Very powerful. Next, let's go over to search. This is one of the main areas you're going to be when you look for offers. As you can see right here, I'm going to explain some stuff. So right here, how do you find great offers? If you want to find a good offer, first you got to know what niche you're in and the country. So let's say you want to do United States. You're going to click U right there on your keyboard or wherever you're searching. Then you're going to go here and you're going to go to like sweepstakes or whatever niche you want to do. Let's say e-commerce is what you want to do. Search. Okay, and boom, you see a bunch of options. And if you want, you're going to sort by EPC, which stands for earnings per click. And that's one of the tips here I have prepared, is to explain that EPC is basically earnings per click. It's how much you earn on average per click. And it's not really like going to be set in stone for you. That's on average for the entire network of affiliates. So this offer right here earns on average like $2 for affiliates. That's pretty freaking good. I would say pretty freaking good is like 30 cents and above. And I promote sweepstake offers, and you're going to be seeing it with a sweepstake offer between 10 cents all the way to $1 with a sweepstake offer. A sweepstake offer that doesn't collect billing info. Very powerful to understand that. And by the way, the more volume you guys are doing, you can actually increase your caps, okay, on your offers. And sometimes you can actually increase how much they're willing to pay you per lead or per sale. And this applies to any network. So anyway, let's look right here. Never been promoted before, or what you have bookmarked, or what you're approved to run right there. And then you can even look for, if you want, rev share or pay per lead or pay per sale. So you can sort by that. But what I do is I go to sweepstakes, and I mainly promote in the United States. And what I do to get results that I have is I do paid ads, and I have huge email lists. YouTube traffic is extremely powerful. So basically I have a second huge YouTube channel. And I've had quite a few, I actually have quite a few YouTube channels. Some of them have no content. But my point is, they're ready to go if I need to do them. But I have grown this second one to the moon. I have over 250,000 YouTube subscribers, okay, with that other YouTube channel. And it's just a generic, broad niche. It's just entertainment, celebrities, funny stuff, fails, and all this stuff, okay? And stuff like TikToks. I'll download popular content and just add commentary. And then down below, I'll link to offers. And to get my channel started, I used a little bit of paid ad to boost to the right audience. And then I did content that is proven to work. That's just one way you guys can use. And by the way, I'm going to teach you so many powerful things here, so stay tuned. If you just want to do social media and you're looking for offers that allow that, go that route. Just do social media. If you want to just do native, do native. But I never sort by those sort of things. And if you're looking for a specific thing like iPhone, type in iPhone. You're going to find iPhone offers. But once again, you can go back to here and you can just make it generic to find them if you want. And you can make this generic as well, all categories. Now you can apply your search. You're going to find everything about iPhone. You're going to sort by EPC, and boom, boom, baby, 48 cents per click on average for this one. And this might have been data from a while ago because that's XS. Now the iPhone 12 is out, so you want to do this one, okay? This is the most relevant one. Right now you get paid $1.90 per lead. What you're going to want to do is you press search while you just click on it. And this one's for, what's this called? I don't even know what that stands for. I think it's Norway or New Zealand, or I think it's New Zealand. And that's an iPhone 12. So here's how you build a tracking link. This is one of the next tips to explain here. This is how I do it. I'll usually just click contextual or social. And if I really know that I'm doing display like adult or native, that's what you click. But most times just click social, okay? And then you just click raw link. You're going to instantly get your link created. Boom, right there. Boom. Copy it. Boom. Go paste it. And go get a conversion, baby. Go get conversions. That's how it's done, dude. I don't want this offer to go down when I'm running traffic to it. You don't want that to happen. Look at the cap. So what is the cap on this offer? We go up here. This campaign does not have a daily cap. Perfect. So basically you can run to all New Zealand and get in front of everyone there. And a percentage is going to obviously convert. And you're going to make $1.90 per lead and you're set. Let's go back to search real quick. I want to explain some more things. Is EPC. EPC stands for your earnings per click. How much you're going to make on average. Very important. Also, you can see landing pages just by hovering over this if you don't want to click. And then your CPA rate. So what are you going to earn every single time there is a conversion is powerful. So let's say you promote this one. This is a health offer, keto body, and you make $100 per lead.
Like this video.
And that means they put in their credit card info. But what you want to do is basically do a calculated risk. You basically know how much you're able to spend on average. And here's what you're going to do. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to be like, okay, if I spend $100 on ads to build my email list, so basically I'll show you different funnels to do here that I recommend, but you spend $100 on ads, and let's say you get 2 sales at $100 on that offer. You doubled your money, but not really. You actually made more than double because you can follow up with all the people that became a lead. What I recommend is you have an opt-in page, you collect the lead, then you have a bridge page that sells people and educates them on this offer right here, okay? And then you link to that offer, and then in your email follow-up sequence, you have emails that push people to more offers, like this one right here, one-shot keto, and even legal help, and blah, 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 blah. Like it can go on. By the way, the next cryptocurrency boom, take advantage of it. It's going to be huge. I kid you not. And I own a lot of Ethereum, and I own quite a bit of Bitcoin, but that's not the boom you're looking for. You're looking to sell the shovels in CPA marketing, basically right here. You're going to promote these offers that pay out like $800 per lead. That basically means, I believe, people put a little bit of money into the platform. Like they'll put $100 in the platform, but you get paid $875 type thing. Okay, this is powerful. And there's a lot of offers you can actually promote inside the Bitcoin and investing type niches. So I highly recommend build a list there, get ready, have a campaign and funnel prepared for the boom. It is coming. Explain what's the difference between a cost per sale offer and a cost per lead offer. It is every time someone really enters like their contact information, and a cost per lead is when people enter the contact information plus they purchase something. And it's not that hard to do. Selling stuff is just a trade of value. That's all I see it as. I've made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing plus more income streams. I can tell you right now that making money online is as simple as exchange of value. And the best exchange of value that works well is an offer that's proven to work. So when you go out there and find an offer, offers that are proven to work usually have high EPCs. And this is just broad right here. You can search in exact categories what you want. Do you want to do a dating offer? Boom. A high EPC offer, $1.25 for a dating offer is very good. This one will make you money right here. Desktop singles, 50 years old plus, like this one will pay you. And if you're doing dating, I recommend basically the same funnel. Make an opt-in page on the front end, offer something for free or quite a few things for free in exchange for their email. And then after that, redirect them to a bridge page and then to this offer right here. And then have more offers in email follow-up sequence. And things can get really advanced with Adult because people are in a browser and not in an instant article type page like you do with Facebook ads and stuff like that. So you can do some powerful things I mentioned inside the Adult course, stuff I won't mention here, but you can crush it with affiliate marketing with Adult traffic. But that's besides the point in a way. I'm trying to explain just different things here and give you guys crazy tips here. Find offers on more networks than just like Max Bounty, and find high ticket offers like on ClickBank and Digistore. It needs to be in one of the core 3 niches, health, wealth, or love, or all of them. And you can find a high ticket offer that allows you to spend a lot on traffic. The most guaranteed way I have ever discovered that I have tested that works for me, I can predictably like 5x, 10x my income if done correctly. And you could definitely 2x your income with this method. Get ready. You basically pick a niche, and I recommend the wealth, health, or love niches. Okay, you make an opt-in funnel. You basically, and I build this for people. You do an opt-in page giving something in exchange for email. You optimize that for around 50% of people that see the page, they opt in. Then you have a bridge page, persuades people to buy whatever offer the niche you are in here. So let's say you do this one once again, boom, you're doing that, or the legal help one. You're doing the legal help one, you make like $10 every single click on average. That's fantastic. But you're building a list at the same time. And on the front end, they see on the front end, after they opt in, they're seeing this offer, the legal help. But in the back end, let's say you have like a $3,000 offer or something, for example, relevant to this niche. In all your follow-up emails, you're just promoting that one high ticket thing. You can crush it. So in sweepstakes, what I do, and this is very powerful, and I talk even more in depth about this inside the sweepstakes course, is I have an opt-in page similar to the offer I'm promoting in sweepstakes, okay? And my opt-in page will basically replicate the opt-in page. Like, for example, when Samsung, my opt-in page will have similar image, similar wording, and definitely the same color scheme. It'll redirect to that offer. And because of the micro commitment of someone opting into my list, they're more likely to opt into more lists and do more stuff. So it's very powerful. And you own the email now. You own traffic. So what you do is in every email, you can follow up with more of these low ticket offers, which by the way, these are very low ticket. These are like $1. So why not just focus on one on the front end of your funnel? And there's more strategies I talk about here, like something called the offer wall and stuff you can do too. And I talk about that in the adult course, inside the sweepstake course. And what I'm trying to say here for this method is you have an offer on the front end and you're running tons of traffic and you're basically breaking even, but you're not really, you're like profiting. Because in your email follow-up sequence, you're promoting a high ticket offer, pays like maybe $500 or so. For every $500 you spend, maybe you get quite a few sales of that $500 thing, but you're getting tons of conversions right here. Okay, this is top secret information. This can make you guys crazy money. I hope you're paying attention. Go find more offers on more networks. You don't just need to find offers on one network, but you can make millions with just one network is my point as well. So I'm gonna see you in more parts of this video. Let's get it. Okay, so this right here is the sweepstake funnel, which works very, very well. It's very effective. So you basically get traffic from whatever source. It could be Facebook and Instagram, but at the end of the day, it could be Snapchat or Adult or anything. What you do is you do, once again, the replica landing page. This is just a visual to show it. Replica landing page of an offer that's an opt-in lead offer, sweepstake offer, then you make money. Okay, you're going to get conversions here. You're going to get lots of leads here. And when you do Facebook ads, it optimizes for the conversion to happen. So you're optimizing for leads to happen. I talk about this funnel more in depth on a little secret that happens like right here inside the sweepstake course. This right here is enough for you to go out there and make money, like literally. And you can optimize, actually, you can make the conversion pixel fire just on the opt-in button click, okay? But you can also do something right here that's powerful too. There is the email follow-up sequence, which is extremely awesome because this is where more money's made. This is where actual profit, okay, big profits are made. This allows you to spend a lot on traffic because you own traffic now. So you're gonna follow up with people with more offers. You can build out your email sequence to go for like multiple years if you wanted, or a couple months, and that's fine because you're going to figure out on average per email you're getting what you earn throughout the email sequence on average per person. Okay, you're going to figure that out after you've made it through that time frame, and you just divide how much money you made in that time frame by how many email subscribers and leads you got. Okay, does that make sense? So you're going to know your numbers and you're going to crush it. But if you just do a one cost per sale offer that's high ticket or mid ticket, you can spend that much equivalent on traffic once again, and you're gonna be able to spend a lot to acquire conversions up here and leads and all that. And remember, you can email blast your list at any time with a new offer and crush it. This funnel works for me. I've got like 3 of these right now running with Facebook ads, and I've tested Snapchat ads. They do work, and I've tested obviously adult, and I run adult, but not to sweepstakes as much, but I run to adult. And guys, I make like 10x on my investment. So this is extremely powerful. Okay, guys, so this is a very rare thing I share. I never really share this funnel with anyone other than inside paid courses, but obviously in a more advanced fashion, I go in depth. But this funnel is called the Tripwire funnel, and if applied to CPA marketing, you're going to see bigger ROIs with this. I have a done for you service. I build this for people and the other funnel, and you can get insane ROIs with both. You can go check out that out down below. This right here is the Tripwire funnel. What you do is any traffic source you want, and then on the front end, you have an opt-in here, basically. You collect leads, but your cash flow is insane because with Max Bounty, you get paid out like weekly to every 2 weeks. Your first payment ever on Max Bounty will be like in 30 days, okay? But on different networks, it's different, especially it can be longer, is what I'm saying with affiliate networks. But when you collect Stripe payments, you get paid every day to every 2 days. So your cash flow is basically all your money getting doubled all the time as fast as you possibly can when you do this method. So it's insane. You collect leads on the front end, you get them into an email autoresponder. That's what that is. You can email blast anytime new offers, but you have a bunch of offers right here. You can have high ticket and a bunch of low ticket and all that happening. You can promote a sweepstake offer right off the bat, right? You could link to it literally at the thank you page or the first email that people get, okay? Which has the free thing in exchange for the email because you're getting opt-ins on the front end. But you're going to have a Tripwire offer. You're going to have something between $1 to $10 to get people to buy, and it needs to be such a no-brainer like crazy. Then you need to have an order bump inside of that, which is basically like people want like a candy bar with whatever they buy, basically type thing, like at the store when you go to the store. Then there's upsells, and your upsells can be whatever you want that's somewhat relevant to the front-end offer. Okay, so you can find PLR products, private label right products, and get rights to these products, and you can use them as your products. It's amazing. and people love to buy them, and they're very valuable stuff. Like, they're good products, and they are packaged very well, and you can price whatever you want, okay, for 'em, literally, and make them upsells. Okay, so this is going to make you a lot of money. The cash flow is insane. Just keep reinvesting, and as long as you're at break even right here or profitable on the front end, you better keep going. Okay, it's crazy. You can scale this type of funnel to the moon. They obviously are more advanced and take some time to build and know how to persuade and know how to build them. But I can build them, and I can build them for you. Are you interested? Okay, and check out down below and like 5x to 10x your money. So anyways, just wanted to mention this method. It's crazy. Okay, so the next tips I want to give you is from Max Bounty themselves. This article is awesome. So it's basically the definitive beginner's guide to affiliate marketing traffic sources, basically. So these are the different traffic sources. You got display, pay-per-view, which like pop under and stuff. Then you have search, native, you got social and mobile, and email, and incentive. And they're going to explain what offers work best for each one of these traffic sources. So I figured this is extreme value to you. And at the end of me explaining this, I'm going to have a little bonus tip for you, like the formula. Okay, I wrote down here, which makes you money. And then I want to end with another tip after that. And that's the video in a minute. So you're ready. Here's your budget, whatever it may be. I think your budget's determined by your highest ticket offer in your funnel, okay, or your lowest ticket on the front end times 3 ticket, because you can scale faster, get more traffic faster, get bigger data faster, all that. Now, experience level comes down to how much knowledge you actually do have in the space, how many courses you've actually learned from, how many mentors you've had, how much time you've put into the industry, and how much you've actually spent on advertising can determine someone's experience level. I've spent hundreds of thousands on advertising in my marketing, and I can tell you right now, I know what the freak I'm doing. After about, I would even say $10,000 in ad spend, you'll know how to freaking do paid ads. And you'll go beginner to intermediate after like the first 1,000 spent on ads, in my opinion. Unless you just have never taken a course or ever watched a tutorial on something, you're going to lose money, obviously. But with my methods, if you implement my methods, which have been proven, I cracked the code after going through like serious depression, not figuring it out. I cracked the code and I know it works. So implement on what I'm teaching here. Next is pre-existing skills. Obviously, that's very important. Develop your skills. You're going to get better results, so it's worth it. Okay, display traffic. What works with display traffic here, and there's a lot of networks for it, and what I recommend, just Google display networks, okay? And you're going to find a bunch of different networks for traffic there. But what works best with this is health and beauty type offers. Next is pop under ads. And what works best with them is sweepstakes and travel and even like spam offers, okay? Like, and security offers and things like that work really well. Google AdWords, I would say, does good at diet and loan. Even like e-commerce does well with Google Ads. Next is native traffic. What works well, in their opinion, is finance, weight loss, and tech products. And then social basically works good with anything, but particularly well with e-commerce and clothing and dating and games and tech gadgets and obviously like sweepstake offers. Next is mobile. Apps and games work well with that. And then email works great with loan, debt, and debt relief, and e-commerce, and education, and BizOp offers. Incentive traffic, which is like you incentivize someone, like give them some stuff for free in exchange for them to do an offer here. Surveys and sweepstakes does really well with incentive traffic, but sweepstakes can do well with broad traffic in general, no matter what. And the formula I have for you is tons of traffic, or at least consistent traffic, and whether that be free or paid, you can still crush it. I get tons of free traffic and tons of paid traffic. And then have a great funnel, or quite a few funnels, and then build your list, okay? Because that's an asset you're going to have forever. And then have more in the back end, more offers, and you're going to make money. That's like the formula right there. And then if I were to leave you with one thing here, is realize, guys, you're one campaign away from major success. Just one. And all you got to do is just keep learning, build your funnel based off the knowledge you have and the strategy you formed. Or just get one of my strategies or get the done for you service. You're going to have a funnel that makes money. Okay, now all you need is to build a campaign and you're going to have success. And it's crazy that people overthink it, and they may overthink it for a million reasons. But the one thing you got to realize is keep it simple and just realize you're just one freaking campaign away and you can make tons of money.